Welcome to our guide on adding a pickup person in the Best Buy app. Whether you're planning to have a friend or family member collect your order, this feature ensures a smooth pickup experience. Let's walk through the steps to set it up. First, open the Best Buy app on your mobile device. Next, look at the bottom right and tap on the profile icon. Next, click on Account Settings. Then, click on Store Pickup Person. After that, select the option to add a new pickup person. You'll be prompted to enter their full name, email address, and phone number. Finally, save the information. Your designated pickup person will now be added to your account and can collect orders on your behalf. Adding a pickup person in the Best Buy app is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few steps. Ensure all details are accurate to facilitate a smooth pickup experience. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.